Yo, what's up guys? Today I will be showing you how to set up Unity for avatar uploads for VRChat. What you'll want to start by doing is going to VRChat's website and logging in. Once you log in, you'll be greeted with a page like this. You'll go to Downloads, and you'll scroll down to right here where it says Download the Creator Companion app. And you'll just download that. And then the next thing you'll want to download is unityhub and the appropriate version of Unity for the avatar creation at the time of VRChat's thing. So if you are unsure, you can look at VRChat documentation. It will be documented on VRChat's website. Also, all links for downloads will be in the description, so please check the description. So right here, when you go to unity.com/download, here's where you'll find Unity Hub. You click Windows, Mac, or Linux, whichever you're on. I'm on Windows, so I click Windows. Okay guys, so what we'll do is we'll start by running our EXEs that we have downloaded. So here's the Creator Companion tool. We'll start by running this. I always do the me only because this can cause problems in the future, so I always just recommend doing for me only. You'll just accept. Next, next, and you'll let it do its thing. If you get an allow button, click allow. And you can just click show me around. And then for now, you'll have a little red icon here because you do not have any Unity editors installed. For that, you'll click continue, continue, and you'll click install later. Skip Unity install, and then you'll be greeted with this. So we can minimize that now. Now we'll run Unity Hub. You just click agree, next, install next. Finish. Now inside of Unity Hub, we can open this. And you'll have to sign in, so I'll sign in and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, so once you've logged into Unity, this is what you'll see. You'll click Don't Show Again and skip the installation. You'll agree to this. Okay, so now once you're here, what you'll want to do is you'll go to Installs. You'll click Install an Editor. And then you'll want to go to Archive because we want to install an older one. You'll click this button right here. It says Download Archive. This will take you to Unity. You'll want to go to version 2022 because that's what VRChat uses at the time of this video. And then you'll go to find this particular version, which is, hang on one second. We want this version right here, 2022.3.22 F1, which would be this version right here. And then you'll get a thing like this. You can, you'll just click open link. And Unity Hub will recognize that you're trying to download that version. It'll make you download Visual Studio Code Community. You'll need that. You'll want Android. And that should be good. So you just click that. You'll agree, continue, agree again, install. And you'll just let this complete. I'll come back to you guys once all this is completed. Alright guys, I'm back for a brief thing. I just want to show you that you guys will get put into a installer for Visual Studio Community. That's a thing that's required for Unity. So at first it'll pop up with a thing saying something about Visual Studio Community. You'll just click continue. And this is the page it'll land you on. You don't need to check any of this. You just click install. It's that simple. And then you'll click continue. And then it'll look like this. And then you'll just let this do its thing. All right, guys, we're back. So now that Unity is installed, this is what it'll look like once you're done. You'll see that all the extensions have been installed. You just click out of this. You no longer need this. Now what we'll do is we'll go back in here to Creator Companion, and you'll just click the settings thing, just wait, and Unity will detect that, well, not Unity, the Creator Companion will detect the version 2022 has been installed, and you'll see the path here. You'll notice when you go back to projects, that little fix message is gone. There you go, guys. That's simple. Unity is now installed, Creator Companion tool is installed, and you're now able to make projects for VRChat. I do want to make a note for you guys. Whatever you do not want to create your projects through this. You want to make it through here. You'll click this, and then you'll select Unity 2022 Avatar Projects. You'll give it a name, and you'll just click Create Project. The reason you want to do it this way is because this tool adds the VRChat SDKs into the project automatically, whereas if you do it through unityhub, you have to do it the old way where you add it manually. So whatever you do not use this thing. Once you've installed it and got Unity installed, you'll never need to use unityhub again. It's a prerequisite. You don't need it. Let me rephrase that. You do need it, you just don't use it to create your projects. You use the Creator Companion for that. Just remember, guys, all links will be in the descriptions. Check the description below for all the links of how or where you need to go to get the EXEs. Have a good day, guys. Thanks for watching.